Hey guys, Miss Elkins back. Question: what do you call a pig that knows how to do karate? Pork chop. Ha ha ha. Okay, so anyway, I'm back here to help you with homework 25 for Wednesday. Questions 11 through 15. Here we go. Let's start with 11. Find the quotient. We learned a long time ago that in order to divide with a fraction, you could multiply by its reciprocal. We learned in my class, we learned a little rule to help us remember that. The KCF, kind of like Kentucky chicken fried. We change, we flip. So you keep the first fraction, 1/4. You change from division to multiplication, and then you flip that second fraction upside down. Basically, you're multiplying by the reciprocal. And then you just multiply. Numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. 1 times 9 is 9. 4 times 8 is 32. There's no simplification necessary. Your final answer here, 9/32. In the Google form, you can type that in as 9/32, and it will count it correct. Alrighty, tidy. Moving on to number 12, we want to talk about Emily. Emily sells bracelets for $12 each. She wants to discount them so that they only cost $9. What percent will she need to discount her bracelets? In other words, what percent will she have to take off? Whenever you see the words together, what percent, I want you to think of this setup. What percent means X out of 100? How many out of 100? We've got to think a little bit harder though on this question because it's tricky. She wants to know the discount. We know if she's going to sell them for $9 and they're originally $12, we know that she's taken off $3 for each bracelet, right? So what we need to do is find out is 3 out of 12 is what percent? So we can butterfly multiply, divide by the lonely guy. X times 12 is 12x. 100 times 3 is 300. The lonely guy is 12. We're going to divide 300 by 12 to find our answer. 12 will go into 30. 2 times 12 is 24. When we subtract, we have 6 left over. We have a 0 to bring down. And 12 will go into 60 5 times. She's going to discount those bracelets 25%. And yes, you need a percent sign in your answer. Awesome sauce. Number 13, write the inequality this number line represents. I'm seeing some people making mistakes on this already. Guys, that's an open circle. That means it is pointing in the direction of the arrow. So it's this symbol. There's no line under it. It's not filled in, so that means it's not or equal to. So it's open circle, and X is greater than 30. That's your inequality. You actually can type in this symbol on a keyboard. It should be right above the period or right above the comma on your keyboard. All right. So X is greater than 30, not or equal to, just greater than, because it's an open circle. Okay, number 14. Gina is going to paint her patio. It is made up of 2 rectangles. Keyword. One measures 7 feet by 4 feet, and the other measures 8 feet by 6 feet. What is the total area of her patio? So we've got 2 rectangles, one that is 7 by 4, and one that is 8 by 6. We can multiply both of those to find the area of each one. 7 times 4 is 28. 8 times 6 is 48. And then we can just add those two numbers up to find the area of the total patio. 8 plus 8 is 16. And 3 plus 4 is 7. The 76 square feet is the answer. You do not have to type in the label in the Google form. Just type in 76. That'll be fine. Right, number 15. You love the watermelon questions, right? I got to keep adding those. If 5 watermelons cost $16.25, what does 1 watermelon cost? We're looking for what's called the unit rate. How much is it for one? When you're buying stuff and you want to know how much each one costs, you take the money, in this case $16.25, and you divide it by how many things you're buying. In this case, it's 5 watermelons, and that's going to give you your unit rate. So 5 will go into 6. Don't forget that decimal up there. It's money. 5 will go into 16. Oh, sorry, not 5 times. 3 times. 3 times 5 is 15. Have 1 left over. Bring down that 2. 5 will go into 12 only 2 times. 5 times 2 is 10. And we subtract. 12 minus 10 is 2. Bring down that last 5. Thank goodness it ends there. 5 will go into 25 5 times evenly. So we're done. So each watermelon will cost $3.25. If you want to label that, be sure you put the dollar sign first. Even though you say it differently, the dollar sign goes in front of the amount of money. All right, guys, I hope you're having a great day. I miss you. I wish you were here, or I was there, or something. I hope you're having a good day. Love ya. Bye.